Want to skyrocket your website Google rank? I am Kuldeep Kumar from Digital Boost Hub, and today I'll be share 10 on-page SEO tip and hack can instantly boost your traffic and stay till the end for a special bonus tip that most maker miss. Hi everyone, welcome to Digital Boost Hub. I am Kuldeep Kumar with over 5 year experience in digital marketing and freelancing. In this video, I am going to break down 10 essential on-page SEO points that will help your website rank, get more traffic, and attract your ideal audience. Make sure to watch till the end because I have a bonus tip that can take your game to the next level. So let's dive in. What is a on-page? Starting point, what is a on-page? On-page is primarily refers to the on-page search engine optimization, which involve optimizing element directly on your website page like content, images, title, links to rank higher in the search engine, improve visibility, and provide a better user experience. Why on-page SEO is important? On-page SEO is crucial because it helps the search engine understand your website content, make it easy for users to find you, leading to higher ranks, more organic traffic, and better user experiment engagement by optimizing element on your website or both user can bots. My first hack, city or magnet titles. Makes your title clickable and emotional. Example, wrong titles, I think on page essay tutorial, not a good. And right and viral titles, full explain, eye-catchy, keyword focus. This is an example right on page SEO script, a secret that Google does not want to you know. Third point, CTR click-through rate, post YouTube plus Google rank post. Okay. Second hack, first 100 words rules. Starting block points paragraph 100 words include the first main keyword ads. Point 1. Always include your main keyword in the first 100 words of your content or video script. Second, Google scan the begin of your page to understand content. Example, on-page SEO is the foundation of every website ranking strategy. Okay. Hack third points LSI and NLP keywords. LS means let semantic indexing keywords and first point use related words, semantic keywords. It's help Google understand your topic deeper. Tools Upachar suggest Google Keyword Planner, SEMrush, Suffer SEO. Example, main keyword on page SEO. LSI keywords, meta tags, internal links, SEO checklist, keyword densities. Okay. My fourth hack, this is very important. Meta description hook. Treat your meta description like a mini ad. Use one keyword plus one defect benefit plus one CTA. CTA means call to action. Okay. Examples: boost your website traffic fast with DC on page SEO hack. Start rank today. Keep it understand 160 chapter underwrite your meta description. SEO understanding is better. Okay. This is a very important hack. Hack 5: image optimization. Google loves content with visuals. Add alt text with your keywords. Compress image for faster loading. Bonus tips: use infographic. They get share more, which add of a page value too. Hack number 6: smart interlinking. New post two, three old ones. Okay. Hack disturb link juice and keeps user longer on your sites. Next point, use description anchor text like learn of page SEO strategy. Result: 20-40% drop in your bounce rate plus rank boost. This is a smart interlinking. Okay. Hack number 7: keyword riches, a rich URL. Best SEO understanding and viral. First point, keep URL short, readable, and keyword rich. Okay. Example: on page SEO guide, not a guide. Yes, correct. Wrong. Slash 2025 best SEO tips by Digital Boost Hub. Isn't this a wrong? You will note a better understanding your main keywords, your pages keywords. Okay. This is short, readable, or keyword riches viewer best titles and keywords. This is fast ranking and clean UR. Okay. Google better understanding. Third, Google rank clean UR higher. Hack number 8: schema markup. Which means help search engine how rich result. FAQ rating snap it. Second, use plugin like Yoast or Rank Math to add a schema automatically. Third bonus point: increase CTR by 15 or 20% easily. That's a, this is a schema markup hack. Hack number 9: page speed and mobile UX user interface. This current time is a data 70+% of user bounce if a page take more than 3 seconds. Second, user Google page speed inside ORGT metrics. Check your website CTRs and Google page speeds and CLT. Okay, you check this. This Google website is man. Next one, use lazy loading, CDN and image comparison. And for 2 second or less loading time, this is fast in loading. Your node bounce rate. Okay, increase your speed or mobile UX is a better. Means your fast loading is a not a increase bounce rate. Hack number 10. This is a last hack. Right for human, optimized for Google. This is a you are forget stuffing keywords. This is a black hat technique. Okay, forget your keyword stuffing. Second, focus on your storytelling, engagement, and real valuable content. Next, Google's AI now rank content that keep user reading longer. Next, add. People also ask type section and FAQs. They boost keyword time plus snap it ranking. Okay, this is my last bonus tip. Very valuable. This is a hacker's tips. Okay, not a black hat. Only white hat. This is a long process, not a short process. Okay, but your result is a 100% and fast. This is a bonus strategy. Okay, so hack combo formulas. This is a man. Title plus hook plus value plus age. Okay, this is a best page SEO hack. Fast result provide. This is a formula. Okay, hook your audience is a first second for first two lines. Deliver quick wins, real work hacks, and with a clear call to action. Subscribe, share, comment. Example YouTube titles. 10 on-page SEO hack that will make a Google fall in love with your website. And this is my website on-page SEO post bonus tips and my explain 10 hacks tips. Okay, your support, like and subscribe. Okay, if you enjoy this video, please subscribe to our channel. Give it a like and don't forget to comment with your thought. Your support help us create even better content. Thank you.